So how hard is it to actually drive traffic to your wealthy affiliate website? The truth is that it usually takes some time for your articles to start ranking on Google and to actually get traffic because Google wants the best articles to rank at the top of the search for whatever people are searching for. So if you apply the strategies that are taught inside Wealthy Affiliate and you stay consistent and keep improving, then it's not uncommon to be making a full-time income within 2 years of starting. But this entirely depends on the time and effort that you're willing to put in, so it's not any kind of guarantee. And it really depends on how closely you apply the skills and techniques that are taught inside Wealthy Affiliate. Now, I would recommend following what you're taught as closely as possible so that you don't waste time because the people that are teaching you have been there and they've done that. So you can save yourself a lot of time by just trusting the advice that they give you and sticking to it until you are successful. Now, if you want to try Wealthy Affiliate, they have a completely free plan, no questions asked. There's no credit card required, and you can use the link in the description to get started. Now, you might be wondering what happens to your website if you ever leave Wealthy Affiliate. Like, who actually owns that blog or the content on your website? Well, I'm going to explain that in this video right here on your screen.